Hey guys, welcome back to another vlog. This is Rakshit here. How are you all doing today morning? Hello, Hegidira. It's been some time that I saw you from a bike angle. That's because I didn't get much time to record it. And as I said in the last vlog, the GoPro mount was broken. So, back on the bike to give you some views. Guys, I must tell you one thing, the kind of confidence that you get when you wear your riding gears and drive is insane. I don't want to wake up everyone by opening the throttle, so I'm taking a little slow. And I don't want people to curse me in the morning, guys, so of course it is same for me as well. And I get distracted with a little of the noise. Actually, I wanted to ride to Watson Road. You know why I came to this road? I wanted to check the camera angles properly. And this is the final test of my mic that I bought, which is the Akaso. So later that I will not be able to test it. Let's open up a bit. Good to see people following signals in the morning. Things have changed thanks to Karnataka police for doing a great job. Man, it's super cold. Once I have the leathers, it's still so cold. Yo, here is a tunnel. Let's have some fun. Ready? One thing I've seen very drastically different these days are they're like crazy number of cyclists. I think lockdown has given room to a bunch of people. So guys, I wanted to give you some piece of advice. I'm pretty sure that everyone knows about it. So especially in superbikes, right? What happens is, while you start pushing your hard bike, most of the people what they do is the moment they start the bike they try to push hard. But one piece of advice is warm up the brakes, warm up the tires. See, you're not a MotoGP set up a race setup where you can actually warm up the tires, but what you can do is at least just see my riding angle. So just move around like this a bit, so it actually warms up the tire. Anyway, the center part will be warmed up, but while you push to the corners, you won't do that aggressive, but sometimes what happens is when you push without your knowledge, you push aggressive to sharp corners, there is a possibility that you might get traction. So my bike has traction control, so there's no much of a headache. But having said that, please tires moving around in this angle, see. And be careful, don't bend the handle, just play with your hip or your body, whichever you're comfortable doing. And one other thing is really important is go hard on the brakes, and while you brake, please see all the time. start like this to warm up a couple of times. And people get scared. So that's what I was saying, right? Go front, back, both, while you drive, get it again. So the more closer I go, the roads open up, but especially for superbikes, there's only about 100 meters of view maximum. But see this asshole, he drives well. See, this is what I'm enjoying. Life at its best. Let me take a U-turn because I don't want to miss out this weather, because this side anyway it's super traffic. So guys, usually I stop around this place opposite IPC. So IPC is the other corner, and there's a bridge sort of a thing, which usually I stand here, right? I put my 6R here and I stand. People coming around this side, usually I come in between 7:45, maybe 7:30 to 8 is where I usually put my bike here in the same place. So I just take a break after my ride just to make sure that I get hydrated, because I have a dehydration problem. So I drink a lot of water. I finish off at least a sip of at least 500 to 600 ml of water, and then later I'll start riding back home. So if you're stopping hereby, we can definitely catch up. If you guys are interested to see my 6R, you can definitely catch up sometime. I know I'm not even grown up to meet a subscriber, meet as such. Only me and my bike will be there. But having said that, things will change, things need time, and good comes to people who are good. So let's wait, and it's time. Let's head back home. And you guys want to hear the exhaust note, right? So let me open it for you. Let me put the bike in neutral. Let me. How's the sound, boys? So uncle and auntie are watching me. Let them watch, and before they watch, I'll go home.